mga friend? How are you doing there today? Hope you have an amazing day. And I do have here, even though I don't have sunlight, but yes, as you can see, I have the clothes under the tree like a Christmas tree. Yes. See, I don't do dryer, correct? I don't do dryer. Today we up to something. I'll let you know that I'm in my cooking place. We're gonna cook something and we'll find out. Before we go our cooking, I'm going to read some thoughts for today. Are you ready? All of us are planting something in our lives every single day. That's correct. Whether we realize it or not. And we are also reaping whatever we have planted in the past, aren't we? The quality of our lives right now is a result of what we planted and harvested sometime before. Which is true for me, if you are been fervent prayer, reading His Word, obeying His voice, and indeed you reap peace, love, and grace, so much love in your heart, in your lives, and it leads you into fulfillment, pure happiness.
Amen there, Sister Beng. And now is gathering a kindling wood. Get ready for cooking.
So here we have sausage. It's a hot sausage. It's being. Here we have minced, what do you call this? Ginger and some minced garlic, onion, and some pepper. And I have milk. I have salt and lemon. And this is fresh onion leaves. We're going to garnish this later on. I have water, olive oil. One, I already soak on water. This one is the white sutanghon. So I already soaked it with water for like maybe more than an hour. So I like it also soft. Raw wood. I think that's one. Need some olive oil. The wind. Super windy. Trouble is real.
I think I got the wet wood.
That's what we love, Smoke.
As you can see, the meat is a bit frozen, so it's hard to break it down.
More oil. Garlic and ginger, so I'm a ginger person.
And that day, random visitors came and joined our cooking at the backyard.
No, you don't have to.
Okay. Say hello to Dan Zimmerman. Oh, hi.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Hi.
Hi.
How you doing?
Sandy.
This is what you call survival during skills during the time we don't have electricity. No, sorry, it's the wind. It's the wind.
Wait to say hello. This is
Hi.
Mrs. Zimmerman.
Tom, you don't be silly.
Are you sending your video to your video? That's where your family's from, the Philippines?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah. I
Your
grew up
dad's
in the
a
Philippines.
preacher, United UPC, United Pentecostal preacher. Yeah.
There's a big weather difference between there and here.
Yes. Hot, humid, rain. It's the only we have.
It's hot and humid, and they do.
It's all right. You have noodles cooking in your backyard.
Alright, and all the noodles are in and mix, mix, mix. I love lemon. Have a lemony, tangy sourness to it. So, lemon in cooking is super delicious. And I learned to use Himalayan salt. There is the green shallot. Actually, is a leaves and onion leaves, by the way, from our garden. Remove some of the and all mix, mix, mix. And now remove from the fire so that it will not burn until you mix. Because literally you don't have to cook all there. And now the plating, the moment of truth. Looks yummy already. Here we go, the finished product. You can't beat that. That speaks louder right there. Sit down and enjoy the food. God bless you and have a wonderful day.